Hello, lovely viewers. I'm here again. I just want us to talk a little bit about life insurance. I know this is a very interesting topic to some of you because I know you have been hearing about life insurance, and most people think that anytime they talk about life insurance, it means that I'm going to pass away and somebody is going to get something, and it's not going to benefit me whilst I'm alive, and so on and so forth. Well, it really depends on the type, because there are so many types of life insurance. And the little advice I will give here is that find some time and learn about it, or listen to people talk about it, and try to look at it from a holistic point of view where you really know about most of the types, because there are so many types, and you can choose the one that will best address your particular family needs, because life insurance plans are individualized. They are based on the needs of the family, each family. So if one family has maybe a policy A, it doesn't necessarily mean that you also have to have a policy A. It really depends on your needs. So we have something we call needs analysis. It helps us to prescribe or choose, or help you choose the right policy for yourself or for your family. So life insurance is more than just a death benefit. That I want you to note. It's an important part of a family's financial plan. You see, this is just my first video talking about life insurance. I'll be doing subsequent videos so that I can go into details in in other parts of the policy. So there are several types of life insurance policies available, and understanding the differences can help you make an informed decision. So the main types of life insurance include maybe term life insurance. When we say term life insurance, we're talking about a particular type of insurance that provides coverage for a specific period. It could be for either 10 years or 20 years or 30 years. It is generally the most affordable option, but does not build cash value. So that you have to note. So the term life insurance, it's okay to have, but hello, it's only for a period of time, which means that if you purchase it for, let's say, 10 years, and within 10 years you don't pass away, you have paid money into the drain. It's gone. You don't get anything back. If you paid for 20 years, just look at yourself. You are trusting God, you are strong, you are taking good care of yourself. I know death, you never know, but if you purchase a 20-year term policy and you don't pass away within the 20 years, you have paid money into the drain. So that is some of the options, some of the things you have to weigh when you are buying term life insurance. It also depends on your purchasing power, because some people, they can afford maybe a permanent life insurance. But then that is why I'm even doing this video. It's all about education. It's all about planning, and then we also have whole life insurance. A whole life insurance is a policy, it's a permanent policy that lasts your entire life as long as premiums are paid. It includes a guaranteed cash value component that grows over time. So when they say whole life, literally they're talking about your whole life. um, when you're writing whole life policies, usually it's up to 100 years. It's for 100 years. So it's not like if you're 20 years and you buy a whole life, it means you have 100 years to have it. No, it's your age up to 100 years. So that is whole life for you. And like I said, it has some cash accumulation piece. And this video, I'm just mentioning and describing them for a short time, but I'll do another video where I'll be going much deeper into more details. And then yeah, but the thing is, if you are interested, you can link me up. We can have a personal conversation, a Zoom conversation about different types, and I can do illustrations for you to see and recommend one that is best for you and your family based on, you know, the conversation and the needs of your family. You could do that by contacting me on ransford67@gmail.com. So you can also send me a message via Facebook, or it's easy to get in touch with me. So, and then we can talk more about it for you. Now, the other one too is called IUL. I don't know if you have heard it. It's very common out there. Indexed Universal Life Insurance. That one is also a permanent policy that offers lifetime protection with cash value growth linked to the performance of a market index. And it's subject to policy terms, caps, floors, and other features. It is not a direct investment in the stock market, and it is a permanent policy. It's a very good one as well, I can tell you that. And then the other one is we have universal life insurance, just universal life insurance. That one is also a permanent policy with flexible premiums and adjustable death benefits, so along with cash value accumulation. We also have variable life insurance. It's a permanent policy whose cash value is invested in selected investment options, so its value can rise or fall depending on the market performance. So these are some of the types of life insurance policies we have out there. There are a lot more. Now, if you don't already own a permanent life insurance policy, I encourage you to learn whether one fits your financial goals, and get one to protect yourself and your family, especially if you're married and you have kids and you have a house and you have other properties. It is incumbent upon you to have a life insurance policy as part of your financial portfolios. It's very, very important. That I'll recommend for you. So lifetime financial protection for your loved ones, that's the permanent life insurance policy. It can provide you a lifetime financial protection for your loved ones. It can also, provide money to help your family cover expenses and maintain financial stability while they grieve. The permanent life insurance policy that I'm talking about, it can also provide cash value that can accumulate over time, which may be assessed through policy loans or withdrawals, subject to the policy's terms and conditions. It can provide a financial asset that can become part of your long-term planning strategy. So a life insurance policy, a permanent life insurance policy, that's more than death. Just when they mention life insurance, all you think about is, when I pass on, somebody will enjoy. No, that's not what we're saying here. It can do more than that. See, every family's situation is different. And the right policy depends on your goals. It depends on your budgets. It depends on your needs. So it's not a one size fits all. No, that's why it's very, very imperative that you sit one-on-one and talk with the insurance agent. You tell him or her what your needs are, what your goals are, what your budget is, and the type that you want. And based on that, we can, design a plan for you, a policy plan for you. And it's very important. So today's video is just to conscientize you on the need to have a life insurance policy for yourself. And also, if you don't have one, I strongly recommend that you find out more about the life insurance policies and get one for yourself. That I would say. And the other thing too here is, like I said earlier, every family situation is different, and that's why I am taking my time to educate people before they make a decision. My goal is not to pursue anyone into buying a policy, but to help you understand your options so you can choose what is best for your family. Very important. So guys, think about this video. Think about what I have just said. I know they are thought provoking, because some people think that when you purchase a life insurance policy,